In this video, I will show you 3 steps that you need to know in order to start your business. Welcome in this video. I have started my business now from 1 year and a half and it's going pretty well. It's a social media marketing agency and I want to give you the 3 steps that you need 100% in order to start your business. The first way that is the most simple ever, just go and find some other business owner that are new in the space of an entrepreneurship and ask them what they have done to get the business. It's really simple. They will give you a simple list where they can share with you all the steps about creating your business, creating the company, register the name of the company and all this stuff, because as you know, if you want to become an entrepreneur and have your own company, you need to register your company because you need to have an official name. And I see this often with other people that want to start a business and ask me some information. And I have really struggled at the beginning to find the right information and all the structure to register my business. But then once I knew it, it was really simple. And now other people came up to me and asked me this information. And for me, it's also a good way to make new connections so they can become my potential clients. The second step is have an idea that works, because I don't trust people that say do what you love and money will come, because if there is no marketplace for what you are doing, there is no chance that you will make money and succeed. So make sure that your idea is really valuable and you know 100% that it works. And you can do it by already taking an idea, for example, a social media marketing agency that you know that there is demand for this, especially on the next few years. Or you can create your own idea, your own product, but you should make sure that it's the right product and people will buy it. And you can do it by simple pull online or offline. You can go in your local area, just interview people about your product, if they would buy it or if they think that it's a good product. And then you maybe interview 100 people and you will see that if just 10% say that it's a good product and they will buy it, I don't think that there is enough marketplace for you. But if, for example, 50 or 60% of people say that it's a good product, it's probably a good idea, because at the end, it's the marketplace that decide if your product is good or not. And the third step that you need in order to start your business, it's a tip that will really increase your productivity and give you full in, because you cannot have a plan B. You need to focus everything about your business, everything about your plan, because if you have a plan B, you don't put it so much effort, you don't put it a ton of hours of work, because you are always thinking about the other solution, about the other plan. But if you cut all the bridges that you have and you just focus on this opportunity and you know that you need to make this thing work, because if not, you will end up homeless, this is a really great motivation that can really push you in the morning to wake up, work 10 hours, go to bed, and repeat that process. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any question about starting a business, let me know in the comment. Click the red button to subscribe and watch this video here. It's made for you and it will help you to create and grow your business. I see you in the next video.